So in this Apple Notes tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to pin notes here on Apple Notes. So once Apple Notes is opened up, I'm just going to go into my iPhone here and press on the YouTube page, and then go ahead and select on the note that it created. Now for simplicity's sake, I'm going to create another note right here. So I'll just type this one, second note, just like that. So as you can tell, I have the second note, I also have the first note, but if you wanted to pin one of them, select the note, go to the top right, press the three dots. Then in the top where it says scan, pin note, and lock, go ahead and press pin note. Now what you're going to see here is that when you go into this folder right here, you have the pin category and you have the today category, because this is my pin note. Now if you want to undo it, press it, you can unpin it just like that, and it's back to normal. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to pin notes on Apple Notes. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.